too nice of a day to be staying inside, so we're headed out on a ride. Enjoy! We took a quick little ride down to Big Springs National Park. It's a beautiful day out today. We're going to do a quick little tour around the park, and when we get done riding later today, we had some questions. If you have the Rushmore stereo system, on how to customize photos to what your music is actually playing. Until next time, ride safe. Everyone, we're just getting back from our ride, and as I said earlier, when we got home, we were going to show you how to change the original artist artwork if you have a Rushmore stereo system that goes with Harley Davidson. It's really simple. We use iTunes, and we're going to head on inside and show you how you can change it and set it up to make it whatever photo you want as you're riding down the road. Okay, everyone. We are now inside on the computer in our iTunes program to show you how to change the original artwork for your music while riding. First thing you need to do is have a picture selected. Open the picture and edit it so that the picture is square. If it isn't square, the picture will be distorted on your bike. After the picture is square, go back to your iTunes. You're going to hover over the album cover, right click, then choose album info. From this box that opens, select artwork. In the picture, right click, then delete artwork. Once the original artwork is deleted, then select add artwork down here. From here, you'll be able to browse for the picture you had formatted into a square. You're going to select the picture, and then it will become that album's artwork. Just as a side note, sometimes it doesn't take between deleting the original artwork and adding the artwork you wanted. So you may have to close out of your iTunes all the way and then reopen it. As I just said a minute ago, sometimes it doesn't initially take, so we had to refresh our iTunes, and as you can see, now the picture that we selected is customizable to the CD. I hope that this helps. I hope that you enjoy being able to customize all your future music albums to what you want to see while you're writing. Until next time, ride safe.